let's get right to it. There's a fear that's been creeping into every corner of our professional lives. The fear that artificial intelligence is coming to make you, your skills, and your entire career completely obsolete. But what if I told you that fear is based on a fundamental mistake, that you've been playing the wrong game all along? Today, we're going to dismantle that fear and give you a new playbook for the automated world. Look, this isn't some far-off future prediction. This is happening right now. This quote nails it. The threat was never the machine. The threat is the person who understands how to pilot the machine. So this isn't about survival. This is about an upgrade. It's about shifting your entire value proposition from what you can do to who you are. And that's exactly why this channel exists. We're not another how-to guide for learning a piece of software. That's the old model. Here, we teach something much deeper: internal reconstruction. We're here to help you rebuild your internal operating system so that you're not just compatible with the future, you're the one building it. So if you're ready to stop being a passenger on this crazy ride, it's time to commit. This isn't just about watching a video, this is a protocol. First, subscribe, because that's how you get the continuous upgrades for your internal software. Second, hit like to signal to the world that you value real wisdom over cheap tricks. And third, go to the comments right now and type, "I am the pilot, not the passenger." Declare it. Make it real. Okay, let's get right into it and confront that feeling in the pit of your stomach. The AI anxiety paradox. It's time to understand exactly where this feeling of obsolescence is coming from, because, well, it's trying to tell you something incredibly important. Let's be really clear about what AI anxiety is. It's not just worrying about losing your paycheck. No, it's deeper. It's a crisis of identity. It's that gut-wrenching moment when you realize that the technical skills you spent years, maybe decades, perfecting can now be done better, faster, and cheaper by a machine. And here's why it hits so hard. For our entire professional lives, our value has been measured by our utility. How many words can you type? How fast can you analyze that spreadsheet? How efficiently can you code that function? That was the game. But you have to understand, that game is over. That model of value is completely and utterly broken. Which leads to this brutal, terrifying question, doesn't it? If a machine can do your job, the functional part of your job, better than you, then what are you even for? It's a question that can send you into a spiral, but it's also the single most important question you can ask yourself right now, because the answer is where your future lies. So listen to me. That anxiety you're feeling, it is not your enemy. It is a signal. It's a blaring alarm telling you to get out of the building because you are playing a game you are guaranteed to lose. You cannot outcompute a computer. The only winning move is to change the game entirely. And the pivot is this: from utility to identity, from what you do to who you are. So, if the new game is all about our human identity, what's our strategic advantage? What's the secret weapon we have that AI doesn't? Well, it's been hiding in plain sight for decades, and it's called Moravec's Paradox. Now, this paradox is one of the most fascinating and frankly hopeful concepts in all of technology. It's this wild, upside-down observation that the things we humans find incredibly difficult, like advanced calculus or mastering chess, are an absolute walk in the park for AI. But the things we find effortless, like recognizing a friend's face or understanding sarcasm, those are nearly impossible for a machine. Let's just break this down. An AI can ace an intelligence test, or synthesize 1 million documents in a second. But it can't perceive nuance in a tense meeting. It can play chess at a superhuman level, but it has absolutely no clue how to navigate office politics to get a project approved. You see the pattern here? The left column is the old game. The right column, that's the new one. And this paradox creates a powerful new economic reality, the human premium. Think about it like this. As the cost of technical work, the stuff on the left, races towards zero thanks to automation, the value of the irreplaceable human traits on the right is skyrocketing. Your ability to lead, to empathize, to solve messy, complex problems, that's the new currency. Okay, so this human premium sounds great, but how do we actually tap into it? How do we make it real in our day-to-day work? It all starts by fundamentally changing your mental model of your relationship with technology. This is the mental model you need to burn into your brain. The AI is the propeller. It provides the raw power, the insane speed, the brute force calculation. It is an incredible engine of thrust. But you are the pilot. You provide the direction. You understand the context. You exercise judgment. And most importantly, you have agency. the will to decide where to go. The propeller has no will of its own. This means your core skill is shifting. Your job is no longer to be the artist staring at a blank canvas. Now, your job is to be the world's greatest museum curator. The AI can generate 1,000 paintings in an instant, but you are the one with the taste, the wisdom, and the understanding of the audience to pick the one true masterpiece and explain why it matters. It's about curating and contextualizing. And the tools you use to curate, they're what we used to dismiss as soft skills. What a joke. These are not soft. These are the new power skills. Leadership to guide your team through uncertainty. Conflict resolution for messy human problems. Creating psychological safety so people can innovate. And empathy, the bedrock of it all. An algorithm can't do any of this. This is your domain. So what does this look like in its ultimate form? How do you put all these pieces together? The pilot mindset, the human premium, the power skills. Well, the ultimate strategy has a name, and it's a powerful one. You must become a centaur. First, let's just acknowledge the obvious. In a straight-up fight of pure calculation or data processing, a top-tier AI will beat a top-tier human. It's a fact. In chess, in Go, in many specialized tasks, the machine has surpassed us. And that's okay. Because here is the punchline. This is the entire key. An average human, assisted by an AI, can consistently defeat the most powerful supercomputer AI working by itself. Let that sink in for a moment. This was proven in chess years ago. The best player on Earth is not a human, and it's not a computer. It's a team. It's a human pilot with a machine propeller. This is your goal, to become a centaur, a form of hybrid intelligence. You bring the human part, the intuition, the strategic creativity, the big picture thinking. You then fuse that with the machine's part, its flawless calculation, its infinite memory, its tactical perfection. You're not being replaced, you are being augmented. You're getting an upgrade. Which brings us to the end, to your final mission. We've reached a point where the old rules of competence are dead. Your new purpose, your core professional mission, is to build and strengthen your irreplaceable self. The market has changed. It's no longer renting your hands to type or your brain to remember facts. That's cheap now. The new market buys the things that cannot be easily replicated. It buys your accumulated wisdom. It buys your genuine empathy. And it buys your agency, your sheer ability to take initiative and drive change in a complex world. So I want you to remember this always. An algorithm can copy your output. It can mimic your style, but it can never, ever replicate your soul. It cannot replicate your unique story, your values, your courage. In an age of infinite copies, the ultimate value lies in being an original. The future belongs to the human. Now it's time to execute your final protocol. Don't just watch, act. 1. Subscribe to keep upgrading your internal software with us. 2. Hit that like button as a signal that you value true human insight. And 3, and this is the most important, go to the comments and declare the one human skill, empathy, leadership, complex problem solving, that you will commit to mastering this year. Your future starts now. Let's build it together.